Hello, my name's Humphrey Chung, and welcome to another video for routergods.com. And in this one, we'll be showing you how to play around a little bit with the GNS3 interface and maybe configure an interface or two on the particular router. And I'm assuming here that you've installed the program and you've gotten the iOS images to work. Here we've already dragged in a 2691 router. It's lovely. It's named R0. And this is sort of the default window that you get, the default configuration. We've got our node types here, our different routers, and we've got our console window here. You can get rid of those by clicking the X. A lot of times I like doing that after I have everything set up. If you got a mouse with a scroll wheel, you can scroll out and scroll in. Makes things very handy. If you wanted those node windows and the console windows to come back, you can go to View and Docs. And these are the different windows, so we can bring back node types and we can make them go away. Alright, up in File we can save projects and open projects. So what this means is if I drag a bunch of routers in here and I label them and everything's all nice, I might want to save them. It saves me a lot of time later on. Another cool thing is I can export this into a picture file or even a PDF file. That's pretty nice. So if I want to have a little project, give it to my friends or give it to teachers, show them what I'm doing, put a bunch of routers there, label them all up, and export them. PNG, JPEG, PDF, all that good stuff. In the edit window, nothing too much. We've got a symbol manager. This is if you want to play and make the symbols look different, you can definitely do that. I usually don't mess around with that. That's about it for the menus up here. As far as the task manager taskbar right here, if we have an interface, if we have a bunch of routers and they have a bunch of interfaces, I can click the show interface names to show the interfaces. Right now there's nothing much to show. Show host names, which would be the router. So notice when I click off of that, the R0 disappears. I usually leave this on. Especially helps when you're dealing with something like 8 routers. Add a link. This is where I can add serial links and all that good stuff. I can snapshot it. Never really played with this. I can maybe we'll do that in a later video. Export, import all the configs. That's handy. My console window. I can start the iOS. So this router, it's sitting here right now, but it's not actually doing anything. It's what we consider powered off. So I can actually start this by clicking the play button and then consoling into it. We can label things. We can add a note. So I have to click that. Then I click near to the router somewhere. Blah, blah, blah. Nothing too exciting there, but usually what you're going to do for the note is, let's say if you're doing something with BGP and you've got an autonomous system number. And then you could do interfaces like interface serial 0/1 has an IP address of something like that. You can pretty much write whatever, and after you put in the text, you could click in the middle there, move it around. It's actually pretty handy. And to delete, just select the text, hit delete. We can add a picture. Never really played with that too much, but let's see what we could do here. Let's see what I can add here. There you go, a little Muay Thai kickboxing picture. Okay, that's not going to help us too much. We can add in squares and circles. Click on the square and move it around. You can resize it. Something like that. You would be using this for like BGP, OSPF areas. So I'd make a square, then put some text around it, OSPF area 0. Something like that. And you can delete the square clicking on it, and I'll delete the text and delete this other text. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video about just going through the interface and playing around with some stuff. In the next video I'll be showing you how to add routers and how to configure interfaces. Thank you very much.